Hey car lovers, ever thought adding a little extra oil to your car might be a good thing? Think again. Overfilling engine oil might seem like a small mistake, but it can lead to engine failure. In this video, we are going to discuss how overfilling oil destroys your engine and how to avoid it. Plus, don't skip the video because at the end, I will also share some game-changing tips that help you to protect your engine. Let's get into it. First off, let's understand why is engine oil so crucial. Motor oil is your engine's lifeblood. It keeps the moving parts lubricated, prevents wear and tear, and even helps keep the engine cool. But what if you pour in too much? Is it just a harmless accident? Absolutely not. Overfilling can lead to some serious problems. Let's discuss these problems. Problem number 1, oil foaming. When you overfill your engine, the rotating crankshaft and other moving parts can come into contact with the excess oil. This vigorous agitation causes the oil to form foam. And foam is terrible for your engine. Foamed oil has air bubbles, which reduces its ability to form a proper lubricating film and makes it less effective at carrying away heat, leading to faster wear and overheating of engine parts. Problem number 2, leaks from everywhere. Next, we've got oil leaks and blown gaskets. Excess oil increases the volume of liquid in the oil sump. As the engine operates, the pressure in the crankcase rises because of the lack of space for proper oil circulation. This increased pressure forces oil past seals and gaskets, leading to leaks. And trust me, replacing those isn't cheap. Problem number 3, catalytic converter damage. Overfilling can also damage your catalytic converter. Excess oil can get pushed past the piston rings and into the combustion chamber, where it burns along with the fuel. This produces a white smoke and unburned oil particles. The burned oil produces carbon deposits that can clog the catalytic converter. This not only reduces performance, but can ruin your catalytic converter. And replacing catalytic converter isn't cheap. Problem number 4, poor engine performance. Wait, there's more. Overfilling can cause the engine to work harder, putting strain on the piston rings and cylinder walls. This accelerates wear and can lead to a loss of compression, meaning your engine won't perform like it used to. Now the question is that how can you avoid this mess? It's simple. Step 1, always check your car's oil level using the dipstick before topping off. Bonus tip, always let your car sit for a few minutes after turning off the engine before checking the oil level. This allows the oil to settle for an accurate reading. Step 2, add oil in small increments and recheck the level. It's easier to add more than to deal with overfilling. Step 3, follow the recommended oil capacity written on your owner's manual. Bonus tip, check your oil every 1,000 miles or so, especially before long trips. So now the question is, what if you've already overfilled your oil? Don't panic, follow these simple steps. Step 1, switch off your engine in a safe spot. Step 2, remove the excess oil from your engine. Use a suction pump to remove the excess oil from the cap access point or the dipstick tube. You may also quickly release all of the oil by loosening the drain plug or oil filter. That's it, folks. Now you know why overfilling motor oil is a huge no-no. Share your oil change stories in the comments. Did you ever overfill by mistake? And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell.